sometimes.
We're gonna do the cinnamon challenge.
Cinnamon challenge, yeah.
It's just easier if I just take this off.
Does it come on?
No. Just kidding. Uh-oh.
I got this. Yeah. Teamwork.
It's not even coming out.
We're gonna throw up, man. Don't do it yet.
Let's clean this up.
We're gonna throw up so bad. Oh
Ready?
crap! I just, dude. Okay.
Hold on.
Cinnamon, ready? Okay,
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
If you puke, you're cleaning it up. Oh, those are clean dishes, Brogan. Way to go. You'll be washing those dishes.
It freaking stuck to my tooth, man!